So, Frederic, you've just completed the NLP for Project Management course. Do you have any comments?
That's right, Peter. Yes, I do have some comments. I'm coming from a background of project management, and I had a lot of emphasis on hard skills. They get you to some point, but the application of that, in some situations, you don't really get the results, you're stuck, you don't know how. You keep thinking, you keep coming back to the PIM box, still asking yourself, what I have done wrong, I don't know, I followed the procedure by the letter, and yet I get those dissatisfied stakeholders, I have those team members that keep fighting amongst one another, what I haven't done wrong. So it was very interesting to see in this NLP course some of the root causes about why and how what I was applying from the project management hard skills did not succeed all the time, or was not as efficient as I had expected it. I think I had missed from the past the human part of project management, and the fact that it's not by forcing the change to the people, but really getting into their map of the world, building the rapport, and having this effective communication that you can start applying all of those tools and techniques that you learn from the PMBOK or those other hard skills. So not only do I see that as complementary, but I think that it's almost impossible to go and get to apply those hard skills without this background and this understanding of how the human being interact within one another. The conscious and unconscious part is probably the part that struck me the most, and the fact that all of those meetings, whether it was with my stakeholders or my team members, it was really my unconscious brain that was dealing with some of the emotions. What I really appreciated with this NLP course was to be able to step back from the situation and make conscious decisions about how I wanted to approach those situations. And the way the course has been structured, it doesn't tell you what needs to be done, just the outcome, and you're not left by yourself on figuring out how to apply it. What I did like a lot about the course was the fact that you've got a scientific and clear method to follow to actually apply those soft skills in an efficient fashion. That really talked to me, coming from a scientific and project management background, as opposed to some other soft skills I may have taken in the past, where you were just left with the good intent of having the people work in harmony, but without really knowing how to get this, how to build this harmony, and more importantly, why this harmony is being done. Not only the how, but the why. So overall, I guess I'm a happy customer. So thanks a lot, Dr. Parks.
And will you be recommending this course to other people?
No, I would not, because if everyone knows how the human intervention works, that's going to create too much competition for me. So I'd rather the course to remain as discreet as possible. Of course I would, because I think that projects do not have to fail. All projects should be successful and can be successful if those principles are being applied in a conscious fashion. So I would strongly recommend this course. Yes.
Thank you, Frederic.